In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Kreo and navigate your projects. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type Kreo.net and press enter. When the page loads, look for the Login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Type in your credentials, then click Login. If your details are correct, you'll land on the main dashboard. If you were already signed in, you may jump straight to this page. The dashboard is your home base. Here you'll see all your projects in one place, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Think of it as a control center. Everything you need branches out from here. You can quickly scan through your projects, and when you're ready to work, you'll simply open the one you want. On the left side, you'll find a sidebar menu. This is where you can access key areas like projects, estimates, budgets, reports, drawings, and feasibility studies. Projects is your core workspace for organizing and managing your project files and structure. Estimates and budgets help you plan and track costs. Reports compiles insights and summaries. Drawings holds your plans and related files, and feasibility studies supports early-stage analysis. You don't need to click into these right now, but it's useful to know what each section is for as you navigate. At the top of the screen, there's a simple menu that keeps you informed and in control. Notification shows updates that need your attention. Profile lets you manage your account. Settings is where you adjust preferences. And Help provides guidance if you need a quick answer or want to learn more about a feature. When you're ready to dive into a specific project, click the project's name on the dashboard. Inside the project, you'll see tabs or a menu that let you switch between areas like projects, plans, and assemblies. Projects gives you the overall structure. Plans is where you'll work with drawings, and assemblies helps you manage grouped components or takeoff elements. Move between these sections as needed to stay organized and keep your workflow smooth. Across the interface, you'll notice clear action buttons. Use Create to add something new, Open to access existing items, Upload to bring files into the project, Save to capture your changes, and Share to collaborate with others. Saving often is a good habit, and before you share, double-check you're sharing the right file or view. When you're finished, click Back or Dashboard to return to the main project list. That's the complete flow from logging in to exploring and managing your work in Kreo.